Because one thing I want to say about this is even people who talk about AI not having to be inevitable, or certainly not this version of AI, recognize that there are some really interesting use cases for AI that has been built in an ethical way. Small AI models with their reciprocity, where people have very specifically given permission for data to be used to enable, for example, the rebuilding of a Maori language, as Karen Hao describes in her book. Is it the AI we really have an issue with here? That's a whole question in itself, but I don't believe that's what a lot of these conversations are about. I really think a lot of these conversations are about business models, about proximity to political power, and about people getting extremely wealthy in ways that are exploitative. Perhaps it is this kind of scaremongering thing that people are doing, that are saying, if you don't use this, then you're gonna get left behind. I mean, I still kind of hate the fact that people got so mad at Reese Witherspoon, but what was so fascinating about that to me was that a lot of women got very mad with Reese Witherspoon, and a lot of men had no clue that that dialogue was even happening. So if we're talking about, like, you have to use AI in your work, otherwise you're gonna get left behind, and that's what's making it inevitable, and that's the scaremongering, so everyone's going to start using it, and so the rich are going to get even richer and even more powerful, and we're going to be even more manipulated. Part of me can see some of that. I don't like the idea that that means that we don't have our own agency. I do believe that you can make a choice to use something in moderation as a tool, at the same time as working on other things that are actually going to disrupt this market, that are going to make it done in a different way, that are actually going to clear the path so that all AI isn't about tech monoliths.